Hi guys, are you interested in how to delay clicks on your Xiaomi Redmi 13C? If yes, today I will show you how to do it. Welcome to Hardware Info channel. First step to delay clicks on our device is from main menu, we navigate to the settings, where we have additional setting. In it, we press accessibility and cycle, where we have our touch and hold delay. And now we press that and we can change it from short to medium and long. And when we press long, it can be helped when we touch the screen by chance, and until strong and long push, it won't open anything you want. And that's all. Thanks for watching, bye!